Nicole from Let Nicole Help. Today, let's explore the automated invoice reminders that you can set up in 17 Hats so that you're not having to manually chase down any payments due or past due from your leads and or clients. So to get to these email settings, I have first navigated to account settings here with the gear, email settings, and then the reminders tab. So what you'll notice right away as we begin to scroll is that you can set up automated reminders for any of the documents that you're sending. But for this video, let's go ahead and focus on invoice reminders. So we have all these toggles. You can toggle all reminders on. You can toggle just upcoming reminders, just past due reminders, etc. So lots of controls already. But then when we hit the edit text here, we have a chance to actually edit the message that is sent. So by default, it's a really great message already from 17 Hats. But up top, we can even see how many days after the invoice was due do we want these automated reminders to start sending. We have that option. We can say we want them to be monthly, weekly, or daily, or never, as you can see. And then we can even set how many times we want this automated reminder to send until they've made payment, of course. So again, this default message is really great already, but we should also explore the tokens available to us, not only in the message where you're used to seeing them, but also here in the subject line. So if I click here for insert token, the invoice specific tokens are listed here. So there's a whole list: invoice number, total amount, outstanding amount, due date, next closest due date, and amount due on next closest due date. So we can really customize this message to the person and their project and hopefully get them to take action on the invoice. So that's the insert token for your subject line. And then of course down in the message, we have the insert token option again. So I really hope you check these out and perhaps consider turning them on so that you don't have to manually chase down any payments made to your business. I hope this helps.